channel, so you already know the drink was gonna come. It's Cinco de Mayo. You have to make a drink. So I decided to come up with my own name. This one is called the Giggle Punch. So this one is the Giggle Punch Adult Beverage. So I hope you guys enjoy this drink, and I'm gonna try it at the end. Alright, you guys, so I'm just going to chop up some of my watermelon and put it in my food processor or my little mixer. And what we're going to do is we're going to pulse this and make juice from it, and that's going to be sort of like the base for this drink. This as well as some coconut water that I forgot to mention earlier. So this is how I'm going to decorate my glass. I'm going to take a little bit of honey. I have my finger there because my honey has a honeycomb in it and I had to hold it. So, you know. Anyway, on the other side, you're going to add some salt. I had pink salt and some lime zest. And we're going to just dip the glass in there. You want to mix it up just to get it combined a little bit to get that, you know, ombre effect on the glass. My glass is always in the freezer when I'm about to make a drink. I put it in the freezer so it can be cold. You want to roll it around in your honey just like this, and then dip it in your salt and lime zest mixture, and that's it. It just makes like a, you know, just a cute presentation for your drink. Next, you want to strain out your watermelon juice or puree. This part was the most annoying part, but you know, you can get it done. It's definitely optional as well. If you want to keep the pulp and everything, that's totally fine too, but I just wanted the juice. This is me just showing that I actually am going to use coconut water since I forgot to mention it earlier. You want to add a couple shots of both Amsterdam drinks that I showed earlier. Then you want to add a couple shots of the coconut water as well. And that's what's going to fill up the cup. I'm also going to add some lime juice last minute. I was like, let me put a little bit of lime juice since we already used the zest. Then you want to just pour it all over some ice just like this. It was just so refreshing and so pretty. And the presentation is just so clean and, you know, pretty. If you have more things that you could put down in here, you could go ahead. But, you know, I used what I had on hand. But thank you guys and stay tuned. This is the drink. Ooh, our reusable straw. We're trying to save the turtles. Get reusable straws, guys. Okay. The drink is good as hell, number one. The coconut water and the watermelon juice is what's sending it for me. It's strong as hell. That's why it's called Giggle Juice. It's good. But I hope you guys give this drink a try. Little sprinkling dinks of the salt got down in there. And the lime zest so you can taste it. Thank you guys for watching. Recipe 3 is on the way. Bye, y'all.